Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson from Automotive. Today I got a 2013 Gmc Sierra SL. Walk you around it real fast. Show the features on this truck. Here's a good shot of your rims and tires. No scrapes or scuffs on the rims. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well too. We've also completed an inspection on this vehicle, and we're also going to put a 30-day warranty on it. I walked around this truck earlier. I didn't see any major dings, dents, or scratches. This truck's been very well taken care of. It's also a non-smoker. There's no rips or tears in the seats. No cracks or fading in the dash. You have the nice vinyl flooring, makes for easier cleanup. No rust starting on the rockers. Bottom of the doors are very clean as well too. Like I said, this truck is clean, very clean inside and out. Again, no rips or tears in the seats back here. There's no stains in the seats either. You can fold these seats up if you need a little more cargo room. No rust starting at all. There's also no bubbling in the fenders. Another shot of your rims and tires. Now we do have financing available. We have rates as low as 4.24. We also work with people trying to rebuild their credit. Got the nice plastic bed liner in the back as well. Again, no bubbling in the paint. Shot of your back seat. No stains, no rips in the seats. Guys, if you have any questions on this truck, my name is Tim Dawson from Automotive. You can reach me at 309-310-3034. You can give me a call or text. I'll be more than happy to take another video for you, more photos. Just let me know how I can help you out. All right, let's hop inside and look around a little more. Now you are gonna have power windows, power locks. Again, no rips or tears in these seats. Automatic headlights as well. Of course, this truck is four-wheel drive. Let's start it up real fast. While we're starting the truck up, there's no cracks or chipping in the windshield. There's no warning lights on this vehicle, no TPMS. Everything is good to go. It's completed inspection in our shop. Guys, if you do have any questions about this truck, please give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. Thank you.